What's up, everybody? I'm Brian from I Want Tesla, and this is
Karen,
my driver for the day. We're up in the Blue Ridge Parkway Drive in North Carolina, up by Asheville and Hickory. We had 75 Teslas show up to this event. We met at a Japanese restaurant, had lunch, hibachi grill. The guy cooked the food in front of us. That's what hibachi is. But it was awesome to see. It was talking with everyone, seeing all the groups, the large groups of people, having a blast, just talking about Tesla. We went out to the cars in the parking lot. It's freezing out down there. Well, not right now. It's not too bad. It's actually lightened up. We're up in the mountains right now. The clouds have broken away and the sun's finally out. It was actually drizzling earlier when I had the drone up in the air. Huge turnout. People from Raleigh, North Carolina, Asheville, and Charlotte all got together. And then we also had groups from two different sets of people from Florida. One guy from Chicago drove down here, just having a blast. We all drove through the park in groups of 20 cars. So there's some nice drives through here, and we had a group turn around. So on this bridge, we had 20 Teslas on one side and 20 Teslas on the other side crossing each other. It was amazing. And we also had drone footage up in the air.
spectacular.
So we're in the middle of our Blue Ridge Parkway Drive. We just crossed, we looped back around, and there was another group of Teslas that we crossed each other on this bridge, or close to the bridge. We tried to get on the bridge, but this is absolutely beautiful. Look at, well, you're not gonna be able to see here. Look at those clouds. We're up in the mountains in North Carolina. I know West Coast people are gonna say those aren't mountains, but this is the mountains for North Carolina. Look at this. Oh, here's a bunch of Teslas coming.
There he goes. He's trying to get them.
Look at all these Teslas. This is crazy.
Wow!
We looped back around. There's a big group that looped back around, so the second group could come back and we can cross on the bridge. There was 40 Teslas there.
There was over
Well, we have 20 in our group,
60.
and then there's 20 in the other group. So 40 Teslas crossing that bridge right there. Pretty cool stuff. And we have drone footage up in the air. We stopped off on the side and we kind of filled this little lookout area. Grandfather Mountain was behind us. That's where some of the groups kind of broke off and kept driving. Some stayed with us, some, take pictures and talk, and just, that's what this whole community is about. Just being happy, friendly, and just experiencing these cars and
Social.
being social and talking to other people. Obviously, we're getting a lot of looks because we're in this huge line of Teslas and everyone's pointing, especially kids. Kids on the road will just say, Tesla, look at all those, what are all those Teslas?
They would go 1, 2, 3, 4.
So it's been a long day. We're headed to our hotel. After the drive, we actually met up with a bunch of people and at a coffee shop and a candy shop, which is nice. Some old candy. Not old candy, but old.
It was stuff that you would never, you wouldn't even think they even made anymore.
Yeah, it's not candy from Grandma's house. So now we're headed back to the hotel, and we're gonna go out to dinner with a few people. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Share the video, because everyone getting their Teslas should go out and do this kind of stuff. There's events like this happening all over the place, and you just need to look on Facebook for this, or if there's nothing in your area, start it. Do something about it. Get more people to buy Teslas, and they'll use your referral code. Thanks for watching. Stay positive, and I'll catch you on the next one.